Hi and welcome to this webinar on how implementing Autodesk Product Design and Manufacturing Collection can revolutionize the way we manufacture. My name is Mark Pattinson and I am Design and Manufacturing Technical Service Consultant for UK and Ireland. In this webinar we'll be running through some of the key benefits available today within the Product Design and Manufacturing Collection. The Autodesk Collection includes a portfolio of products designed to enhance product performance, increase innovation and shorten overall time to market, which in turn will help make more money and greater products. AutoCAD 2D design still has a place in many manufacturing companies, and throughout this webinar we'll take a look at some of the tools which can help us achieve the aforementioned with ease. Before we start looking at the tools, I'd like to talk about some of the common questions we often come across when companies are looking to make improvements in the manufacturing process. How do we become more efficient and spend more time innovating? How can we make better products for less whilst improving performance of our products? How can we get more out of our machines on the shop floor? And how can we make our factories leaner and optimize flow? There are only just few common questions we hear, and the good news is that all and more can be solved by introducing an Autodesk collection into the mix. Because of the varied need to address many different aspects of a company's digital strategy, Autodesk have introduced the industry collections. Just one subscription can provide the tools to take your 2 to 3D concept ideas through to manufacturing with simple and associative workflows. Now we'll take a look at some of the key technologies found within the Product Design and Manufacturing Collection, showcasing the first step in the 3D design and manufacturing journey. Although most 3D vendors encourage the move from 2D to 3D, when in most instances the best solution is combining them both and allowing overall productivity from adopting 3D while still leveraging all of their existing AutoCAD drawings. And doing this will accelerate the move to 3D by taking advantage of Autodesk Product Design and Manufacturing Collection's 2D to 3D design workflows. Reusing your AutoCAD data eliminates the need to start from scratch, allowing you to control the pace of transition and ensuring that you'll have no delays in your engineering process. Creating the associative link between your 2D AutoCAD and 3D Inventor data allows you the best of both worlds. By reusing the 2D geometry to create your 3D component, it not only quickens up the design process, but it creates a link to the original AutoCAD file. Making changes here will reflect back into your 3D Inventor model. To recap, you can use PDFs and DWF drawings to build your 3D models, leverage your existing AutoCAD data, you have no delays to your engineering process, and you have an associated link between your legacy AutoCAD and Inventor files, and it's easy to learn. Now it probably doesn't surprise you, but when people hear Autodesk they automatically think of AutoCAD. That's not surprising as it's a best-in-class 2D drafting software. If you're currently using AutoCAD LT or an old copy of AutoCAD, then you may not be aware of Autodesk have something even more powerful. With the industry-specific toolsets which are available in AutoCAD and the Product Design and Manufacturing Collection, the possibilities are endless. Here we take a look at AutoCAD Electrical, and now commonly known as Electrical Toolset, with its intelligent schematic design, specific toolsets and extensive library of industry-standard symbols. Not only that, as more and more companies are relying on 3D prototypes, with the interoperability of Autodesk Inventor, both electrical and mechanical engineers can work associatively together, with the bi-directional link being prompted of any changes by either of the CAD packages, whilst all working from the same catalogue and library of wires and components. A recent study showed that productivity gains from using AutoCAD Electrical Toolset was astonishing, creating new designs up to 84% faster, and editing up to 77% faster. Now this can be achieved with any of the toolsets listed on the screen. We can also use the AutoCAD Electrical and Mechanical designs with the added benefit of sharing your designs on the web or the mobile. Factory Design Utilities helps you plan, validate and digitize your factory to improve production and performance. Tools for AutoCAD and Inventor and Navisworks, and also Vault Professional that enhance the product design and manufacturing collection. Factory Design Utilities offers bidirectional associativity between 2D AutoCAD and 3D Inventor data. Your designers can explore multiple proposals as 2D layouts in AutoCAD before automatically converting the 2D drawings into 3D models. Using the same assets. Then continuing to work within the 3D environment. Checking for interference and collisions with existing or new equipment that's been added. By using Autodesk Recap, another tool available in the collection, users can reference point cloud data in AutoCAD and Inventor, carrying out walkthroughs and clash detection, identifying space constraints and equipment clashes before they become on-site issues. Autodesk Factory Design Utilities helps you increase your competitive advantage by allowing your team to combine existing CAD files or scan data of the facility with an extendable library of easy-to-use factory assets. Using the included software, Autodesk Navisworks managed to carry out our clash detection on multiple CAD formats. With the Factory Design Utilities, we can improve process with the Process Analysis tool, take advantage of the bidirectional link, use the easy-to-use assets, and leverage your current 2D AutoCAD layouts. On to one of my favourite topics, design automation. Design automation is a great topic to discuss with both AutoCAD and existing Inventor users. The move to Inventor already adds another level of automation to your designs, giving you parameters, design accelerators, automatic weight calculations, and drawing creation. And introducing iLogic, an embedded automation tool which is intuitive, it's easy to use interface, and it will help you with those tedious design tasks, allowing you more time to innovate. iLogic allows you to save time configuring your designs, gives you rule-based design achievable without having any programmable knowledge, simple way to control complex design variants, and automate those tedious tasks. Having the ability to store and reuse data is another key benefit to the Autodesk Product Design and Manufacturing collection. Shown on screen is the next level Autodesk Professional with the added lifecycle and revision control. Included in the Product Design and Manufacturing collection is Vault Basic. Vault Basic can help you centralize data, speed up design process, and collaborate both internally and externally. With Autodesk tools like Vault, cross-disciplinary teams can improve collaboration, so design departments can easily create and share information. Autodesk Vault Basic is part of the Product Design and Manufacturing collection, which allows you to build designs faster by reusing existing data, meaning teams can work more effectively with others securely. Easily organize and track data. Collaborate, search and find data quickly. Capture file history and control access. Auto-generate visualization files and see the impact of change. Reuse data easily. The next type of collaboration is when we need to share data internally or externally. Shared views are lightweight files that can be viewed inside a web browser and will allow for measuring, markup, sectioning and exploded views. And when used with Autodesk Vault, it will collect all the feedback into one single consolidated location. The Vault mobile app, when connected to your Vault, allows you to add files, manage your vaulted data, and all on your mobile device without needing access to your desktop computer. With the Autodesk Vault mobile app, anything's possible. Markups on the drawing approvals whilst away from your desk? Easy. So whenever you're away from your desk, shop floor or working on site, You can manage all your vault data wherever you need it to be. Using the Autodesk Vault Data app will give you increased information availability, allow you to automate collaboration tasks, allow you to view data remotely, and it will also allow you to download data for offline use. Working in the 3D world, product design is rarely accomplished using a single design tool. Your vendors, suppliers, and customers may be using a variety of different CAD tools that aren't Inventor, and that's okay. Inventor AnyCAD changes the way we work with non-native data, helping our customers work efficiently with a mixed CAD environment, using non-native files like they would use an Inventor file, which helps reduce rework. With AnyCAD, models can be updated in original authoring software, and the reference model can also update inside Inventor, avoiding translation issues and manual updates. Once referenced Inventor model, the components behave just like any other Inventor part or assembly, allowing full interaction with existing data. Autodesk Inventor AnyCAD technology makes it easier than ever for you to work with non-native data. With AnyCAD, you can associatively utilize other system formats, eliminate manual file translation and updates, enable collaboration across organizations, attain properties for bill of material generation, platform independent viewing, and track comments. Today's manufacturing industry is a high-tech world of digital design and manufacturing, but for many of us, traditional technical drawings are still contract deliverable and a vital communication tool. The drawing environment in Autodesk Inventor is highly developed and mature toolset to help you standardize, create and automate your product documentation. Technical drawings in Inventor are views of your 3D model. In this way, any changes made to your 3D model are automatically reflected in the 2D drawing. This drastically reduces inconsistencies in the drawing, increasing confidence that the drawing is correct, which frees you up to concentrate on engineering design review rather than drawing checking. Autodesk Inventor created drawings using Autodesk DWG file format, the same as AutoCAD. This gives you the advantage of being able to work in 2D and 3D as appropriate. Your documentation doesn't need to stop there. Why not simulate your exploded views to give that additional information needed for an assembly? Autodesk Inventor allows you to quickly create accurate, detailed technical drawings for manufacture, a complete set of tools for view creation and annotation. It includes model-based definition from 3D models, easy to share DWG file format, and automated bill of materials. But technical drawings don't have to be flat 2D sheets of paper. Increasingly, customers are using model-based definition, applying all dimensions and tolerances directly to the model instead of in the drawing. This may not eliminate drawings completely, but it can help reduce the number of drawings required. To review and mark up your drawings with collaborators inside and outside of your company, publish your drawings to Autodesk Shared Views and send your colleagues the secure web link. Best of all, reviewers don't need to install any software or manage any files to collaborate. Model-based definition and 3D annotation includes dimension, tolerances and surface finishes. You can transfer all your 3D data with a multiple of file formats. Tolerance analysis is yet another tool included in the Product Design and Manufacturing collection. When designing mechanical assemblies, the question asked is, will it fit? The answer is in the tolerances that we apply to each component. Manually calculating model tolerances can be time-consuming and can introduce very many errors. Autodesk Inventor Tolerance Analysis is designed to help you verify manufacturing tolerances for constant fit and maximum part interchangeability during the early stages, to ensure that your design can be manufactured within the minimum rework of errors. Tolerance analysis for Inventor helps you understand the mechanical fit and performance of your design based on your dimensional tolerances, eliminating inconsistencies and streamline the process between design and manufacturing. It's now time to simulate and validate. Autodesk Inventor Nastran is a CAD-embedded finite element analysis (FEA) tool powered by the Autodesk Nastran solver. It offers a wide range of simulations spanning across multiple analysis types, such as linear and nonlinear stress, dynamics and heat transfer. It provides a constant user experience and eliminates the need for multi-single platform simulation technology. Inventor Nastran delivers high-end simulation technology in an affordable subscription to the Product Design and Manufacturing collection. Leveraging Inventor automation allows the user to make quick and informed decisions without the need for physical prototypes, allowing you to make better, stronger products and reducing cost and reducing time to market, all in a familiar Autodesk UI and without leaving Inventor application. Modification no longer takes up your precious time, allowing you to run further simulations at a click of a button, thanks to its in-CAD capabilities of Inventor Nastran. With Inventor Nastran, we have CAD tools aimed at the engineer. We can check design stability before product is built, reduce over-engineering, improve and generate reports to back up design changes. Although Inventor CAM is included with the collections, we now take a look at Fusion 360 with the machining extension. Within Fusion 360, you have the tools when you need them. The machine extension offers automated workflows to improve the efficiency of your entire process. From process to machine, operating new strategies, streamlining finishing of complex components, enabling in-process inspection workflows, automate whole manufacturing, and bring toolpath modification functionality to the manufacturer workspace. The machine extension delivers you deeper functionality on your terms to help you get the job done. With machine turning and mill turn 2.5 to 5/6 axes, associated model updates, and many more capabilities on demand. Engineering teams are constantly under pressure to get products to market in less time, limiting their ability to innovate. Generative Design can help you develop better products within your business without adding an innovation lab to your department. Generative Design in Fusion 360 is a new way to pursue innovative new ways to solve engineering challenges in a more efficient way. Fusion 360 and Inventor in the Product Design and Manufacturing collection give you both traditional CAD tools while also being able to harness the power of the cloud computing, allowing you to keep down the price of expensive computer equipment while speeding up your process time. Generative Design in Fusion 360 is a technology that generates design alternatives. Design engineers input their goals along with parameters such as performance, spatial requirements, materials, and manufacturing methods. Engineers are no longer limited to their imagination, training, and previous experience, but have the power to make trade-off decisions for materials, cost performance, and manufacturing methods. Now to finish off with visualization. We can extend the value of our design data using visualizations, verify and visually validate the design, make faster design decisions, and experience it before it's real. Compute power and storage has become much cheaper with the added flexibility that some functions can now be offloaded to cloud platforms. Users now have much lower cost of entry to software, with greater flexibility to scale up and down as necessary due to subscription model. Customers have greater levels of capability by taking advantage of more simplified offering with the Autodesk collections. The benefit of utilising our cloud-connected workflows is something we have seen significant adoption over the last few years, which has only accelerated further since the pandemic hit. These advantages are enabling companies to get to production faster, ultimately enabling much more connectivity and scalability than ever available before.